Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 4 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to go to the phone that is paired with our watch. And we need to install Garmin, or not Garmin, Connect IQ Store basically. And to do that, make sure you have the internet connection on the phone that is paired with your watch and Bluetooth enabled. Then open the App Store. In my case, it's going to be Google Play Store, but it also works on iPhones. So open the App Store, tap on Search, tap on the search bar and type in Connect IQ and then tap on Search. And on the list of applications, you should see this application, Connect IQ Store by Garmin with this icon. Install it. And after it's done installing, tap on Open to open the Connect IQ Store. If you see this page, tap on Continue. Here check the box and tap Next. If you see the pop-up about the permissions, allow it. And now you should see the homepage of the Connect IQ Store. And here you can browse through the different categories, look for something you like. I'm just gonna tap on Search and tap on Watch Faces category to narrow my search only to watch faces. So now let's find the watch face we want to install. I don't know, maybe this one. And basically once you tap on the watch face, it will open the info page for it. Here you have a description, screenshots, reviews, additional info like latest version, when it was updated, the size. Also you can tap on compatible devices right here to check if your watch is compatible. So basically you need to scroll through the list. Venu is going to be right at the bottom probably, so let's scroll down. Oh, here we have Venu, and the Venu 4 it is on list, so the watch face should work on our watch. And once you decide to install the watch face, tap on Install, allow the required permission, and it will be queued to be installed basically. And this might take a while for it to install, so I recommend to be patient. You can just do other stuff, and at some point the watch face will be installed, and basically you will see the pop-up on your watch and on your phone, or only on your watch if the app on the phone is closed. Sometimes it takes long because something is ahead in the queue before your watch face. In this case, I believe it is going to try to install update. Yeah, it's updating the Connect IQ Store, as you can see. You can check it right here in the device page of the app. It's updating the IQ Store, so it might take a while, and once it's done, it will install the watch face. Oh, I think it's now installing the watch face. Yeah, so let's wait until it's done installing. This is taking longer than I expected, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done installing. Okay, it's finally done installing. It took a while. And here we have a pop-up in our app and also on our watch, but I skipped it by mistake. And once it's done installing, it will be applied on your watch. And of course, you can also check the list of watch faces you installed by going to device page and then my watch faces. You will see the list of installed watch faces right here, and you can tap on them. And if you want to remove them, for example, you can tap on one, tap on here and tap on uninstall if you want to remove the watch face, because there is limited amount of space on your watch, so sometimes you might run out of it and you will need to remove something to install something else. But that's how you install the watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.